Hello, and welcome back to Lessons with Teacher Laurel. Today we'll be learning about ordering food at a restaurant. Our objectives. Content objective. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to understand the correct terminology to use when ordering food at a restaurant. Language objective. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to write their order using vocabulary words and sentence stems taught in the lesson. Before we get started, I want to explain 3 things when you're ordering at a restaurant. First thing, you want to have manners and be polite. Use words such as please and thank you. Number 2, if you don't understand something, ask your waiter or waitress. These are the people taking your order. 3, be aware of your surroundings. If you are at a nicer restaurant, you may realize the people around you are being a little quieter and not being crazy or rambunctious. So make sure you match your surroundings. Make sure you are as quiet as well. All right, let me move myself over here so you can see. Awesome. These are some common phrases and words you need to know. First of all, when you get to a restaurant, your waiter or waitress will ask you, how many are in your party? You might be thinking, what do they mean by party? This is asking how many people need to be seated. So if there are 4 of you, you're going to tell them 4. To start, I will have. This is how you start your order. So if your waiter or waitress is trying to take your order, you'll say, to start, I will have, and then tell them what you would like. Our next vocabulary words are appetizer, meal, or your main course, and dessert. These are in the order of what you will have. What I mean is, usually you'll have an appetizer, which is a small snack before your main meal or your main course. Dessert is what comes after the meal and is usually very last. Typically, it's something sweet. Lastly, once you've eaten your food and you are ready to go home, you're going to ask for the check or the bill. This is going to tell you how much money you need to pay them. All right, here are some examples of what different menus look like. Menus are going to look different at every restaurant that you go to. Some are simple, some are they explain a lot in very great detail. So make sure you understand the menu that you're using. All right, now that we have understand how to act and how to order, I'm going to give you an example. This is a Sammy's wood-fired pizza and grill menu. Here I go. To start, I will have the Greek salad. For my main course, I'm going to have the New York-style wood-fired pizza. Once I've ordered and I've eaten my meal, I may ask, may I have the check, please? And there you have it. Now I want you to try. When I say so, pause the video and go back to the previous slide where the Sammy's menu is. Using these sentence stems over here, I want you to practice ordering out loud. When you're done, come back and play the video at this spot. Go ahead and pause the video. Welcome back. I hope that went well. Lastly, we are going to do a writing. Why isn't it letting me move? Okay, there we go. A writing activity. Get out a piece of paper and something to write with. You are going to write out your order using the following sentence stems and vocabulary words. Use at least 4, just 4. using the Sammy's menu again to order. Once you are done, I want you to describe why you ordered what you did. Have a great time. Ciao.